Hello guys, and welcome to my another video, part 3 of the Flutter series that we are doing right now. And in this video we're going to be talking about actually getting started and adding the SDK to our system. So we can do that by going to the flutter.dev. There's a link in the description, and you can go to the website, and it will lead you to this web page, and you just gotta click on the right top corner. You get started, so click that. After that, it will lead you to this page, and it will say install for Windows, Mac, or OS. So in our case, we're gonna be starting for Windows, so click Windows. And for my users, or for my viewers from China, where Google products are not allowed, you can just click on using Flutter in China, and it will lead you to the appropriate position and installation process that you need to install Flutter. But for us, just click Windows, and it will lead you to the Flutter setup. Now there's a lot of things we are going to do in here, and we should do it all in very careful manner, because we don't want to mess the things up in here, so we can have a smooth functioning Flutter and an Android Studio. So the first thing we're gonna do is just make sure you make sure you have what the system requirements have. Make sure you qualify for the system requirement. Make sure your system has all the things that are listed in here, and make sure you have a GitHub. And if you don't have a GitHub, just click here, the Git for Windows GitHub, and download 864 Git for Windows Portable. Just click that, and it will lead you to download it. So I've already installed and download Git, so I'm not gonna do that again. But it should be easy, because just click next, and just leave everything in the default option, and you should be fine. And after installing it, you just go to beneath under that and get the Flutter SDK. Now this is the most important part, and we should do it more carefully. So click on the zip Flutter, and it will lead you to downloading the zip. So start downloading it. So it's gonna take a while for it to download, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit until it downloads. Alright guys, it is finished download, and we can see the Flutter zip in here. So after you download it, just right click and then extract the files. Not here, don't extract it here. So the best place for you to extract it will be in the C file. And what we're gonna do is just click on the C drive file, local disk C, and extract it there, and it will just create a Flutter SDK, and it will extract it. But you're gonna have to wait it for a little while, and it will take some time. But I've already extracted it, so there's no need for it to extract it. After you finish extracting it, you should find it going by this PC and local disk C, and then Flutter, and you should be able to see this window. Now when you see this, now we can say we've already installed Flutter in our system. So just click the Flutter console under here, which is the batch file. Click it, and it will open this window. And to check if it's working, let's just to know the version, Flutter version. Now alright, our version, it tells our version, and we can see that it's really working, so there's no need to worry about that. So if you come completely until this level, you should be fine. And one other thing we should do is just that we should give a path to our Flutter package, because we cannot access it other than this console. So we don't want that because we want to access this from various different locations like the Android Studio and even other CMD commands. So sorry, what we should do is just click this PC, follow me along carefully, and then click properties, and then beneath this you can see advanced system settings, then click that. Then underneath you can see environmental variables, so click that. So in here, in the user variable for users menu, you can see that there's a variable called pad. So just, if there is no pad, just create a new pad called pad, and then the variable value, I'll tell you what you're gonna do it. The variable value is gonna be, go to the C folder and open your Flutter package where you extracted it, and go to the bin folder. After going to the bin folder, just click here and you should be able to get the location of the Flutter SDK bin folder. So just copy that. Let's copy that. Copy, then and we'll be going to our environmental variables. Then in the variable value you should paste the location of the Flutter SDK and click OK. If you don't have a variable named called pad, but I do have that, so for some of you that you already have a pad, just click edit. Then at the end of it you can see there's something called at the end of it you can see at the end of it, just click just press the semicolon and paste your location. So after doing that, but I've already done that in here, so no need for me to do it again. So after doing that, just click OK, then OK, then OK. Then we are done with setting Flutter in our system. Now, to know the Flutter is working, we just need to go to CMD and just type this Flutter version, Flutter dash dash version, and it should be able to bring us this our Flutter version. And notice that this is not the Flutter console, this is just the normal command prompt. So it will this will tell us that we can access Flutter anywhere from our system because we incorporated in the environmental variables. So we are good to go. So in the next video I'm gonna be showing you how to install Android Studio and add the plugins in the Android Studio. And for all of that and more, I'll see you on my next video. And please subscribe and share my video. More contents are coming fastly. I'll try to update and keep giving you materials as soon as possible. I'm working on a large kind of material, so I'll be posting and publishing new videos frequently. So just stay tuned and please subscribe and share my videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.